How are web server defaced? Web defacement is occurred when an intruder or hacker maliciously alter a web page by inserting or substituting provocative and frequently offending data. The first step to deface a website successfully is to identify a vulnerable host against which you can carry out attacks. The defacing process requires for the port 21 or the FTP port of the target system to be open and allowing anonymous login. In fact, your first step would be to port scan the target system X and find out whether or not the FTP port is open, and if the FTP port is open, then whether it allows for anonymous login or not. Firewall currently are the main perimeter security tool, but they typically can't prevent web defacement. They capture incoming communication packets and drop them if found to be malicious. For the web server to operate, TCP/IP port 80 is always left open as the HTTP protocol is using it. The firewall typically doesn't scan the incoming HTTP packets and therefore can't identify malicious ones. From this point of view, the communication is legitimate and thus no packets are dropped. As a result, HTTP attacks aren't detected by the firewall. To retrieve the information of a website and to deface it, use the following information gathering technique which exploit vulnerabilities in the system. Read web pages such as global.asa that are supposedly not viewable from the outside. Making use of publicly execution available information like domain registration record using social engineering tactics. If the hacker has a username, he can try to guess the remote intruder can gain administrative privileges or deface the website. These are just a few examples of how websites can be compromised. Thank you.